This is Sapa Alpine Coaster. Ito yung uncut video ng buong ride.
Hello, Sapa!
So basically, to go faster, you have to put this handle forward. And if you want it to go slower, you just have to pull it backwards. For the transportation, going to Alpine Coaster, nahirapan akong mag-book ng Grab. Kaya yung ginawa ko sa tapat ng Sun Plaza, yung mga nakapark na Grab bike drivers, kinausap ko. Sa Grab app, yung one-way nasa 40 to 50 dong. So, kinontrata ko na lang ng balikan for 100 dong. At buta na lang, two-way na yung usapan namin kasi yung Alpine Coaster, pabukid na pala siya. So, once nandun ka na, mahihirapan ka maghanap ng transpo mo pa uwi. Yung price niya is 200 dong for your first ride. Yung succeeding na ride mo is 100 dong na lang. Basta, same day receipt. The ride is 5 to 6 minutes long. Pero kung gusto mong mag-stop to take pictures, okay lang naman. Basta walang sumusunod sa'yo. Yung video na nakikita nyo ngayon is my first time riding the Alpine Coaster. But all in all, 4 times akong sumakay dito. That's how much I enjoyed it. Yung ibang details ilalagay ko sa description box, and if you wanna see day 4 of my solo travel to Vietnam, ipopost ko yan bukas. For the meantime, here's the rest of the Alpine Coaster ride.
Hindi, nais akong ba? Okay. Okay. Wow! OMG! Ayaw bot nung nakakuha. Di wala! Okay. Again. Wow! Wow! Nasig-nasig sa akin. OMG! Alam, may dasig-dasig pa karon, no? Hindi p***. Ala! Prino. Gosh! Sit. Okay. Auto camera, 50 meters. Woo! Attention curve! Woo! OMG! Wow! That is so nice! Hala ka lami! What? Oh my gosh! Hindi naman kalamit, Terya! May lagi kikabalok mag-drive ba? Woo! Hello, Konami. Switch na, ay ka mapicture ko. Wait, why is it not moving? It's not moving. End of track na? Oh, end of track? What? Ginadlift ka na lang nila. Wow! I made it! Okay. Wow, that's it. Ginalift na lang ako nila, wala ako gaprino. Going to take pictures. What? OMG. Oh, ginalit ka na lang. Oh. Uy, tadlong. Ay, sobra naman. Ay! Hello, Sapa! Wow! So amazing. Pero init. But I like it. Hi! Look at that view. Loko na kami. Tupiyo. Ay mo ko balokan sa likod. Hello, Sapa!